Are you looking for a free video editor that works smoothly even on low-end PCs? In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download and install a free video editor called VSDC on your Windows PC. VSDC Free Video Editor is a lightweight Windows video editor that supports many formats, offers visual effects, color correction, and even basic motion tracking, perfect for low-end computers. So, let's see how to get it. Open your favorite browser. In the search bar, type VSDC download and hit enter. Click on the first search result, which should be the official website, videosofdev.com. On the download page, you'll see options based on your operating system. For me, I'll click on the Windows option, which is 64-bit version. Choose where you want to save the installer file. The download will start. Just wait until it completes. Once the download is finished, go to your Downloads folder or wherever your browser saves files. Double-click or right-click and open the installer file. Select the language you want for installation process and click OK. When the VSDC Setup wizard appears, click Next. Read the agreement, accept it, and click Next. If your computer meets the minimum system requirements, click Next again. You'll see the installation path. I'll keep it as default, then click Next. Click Next. Select any additional tasks you'd like to set up, then click Next. Now, click Install. The system may require Microsoft Visual C++ 2015 to 2022 redistributable, 64-bit. Let it install first. After that, the installation process will continue. Be patient, it may take a few moments. The installation is complete. Shortcuts for VSDC Video Editor, Screen Recorder, and Video Capture will be added to your desktop. To launch the application, simply double-click or right-click and open on VSDC shortcut icon. Now, as you can see, VSDC Video Editor has started. VSDC also offers a pro version with extra features, but the free one works really well too. This is the main interface of VSDC. From here, you can create a blank project, make a slideshow, import content, capture video, or record your screen. To create a project, click on Blank Project. Enter a name for your project. Select the resolution you want. Choose the frame rate. Then click Finish. Now you'll see the blank editing screen. To import a video file, click the green player icon. The video will be added to the timeline. You can now start editing your videos using VSDC Free Video Editor on Windows. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more step-by-step guides.